Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saksham and today we have a new product with us over here, which is the Redmi Buds 3 Lite. Okay, you guys can see over here, this is one of the latest buds which is released by MI company. Okay, and this has just arrived now at her, so we are going to do an unboxing video of this, and there are many specific features about this. Okay, for example, it uses Bluetooth 5.2, which is the latest Bluetooth technology. It has low latency mode, it is splash proof, and it has a Type-C charging port. Okay, and not only this, there are other things also, but we will discuss it further in the upcoming videos. So now if you want to know more about this, I want you to watch the video till the end, so you will get all information about this and you will also decide to buy these earbuds. Okay, because this is very budget friendly earbuds as well. So let's start. Okay guys, so here we have our Redmi Buds 3 Lite. You can see its packaging. Here it is from the MI company, which is clearly written here, and here it is its sticker also of warranty. Now let's unbox it. So first of all, we'll take out here this tapes. Okay, here now we'll open this one, and here at first only you get to see our earbuds. This is our earbuds. Okay, so let's take it out and tear this one. Okay, so here you guys can have a look. It's so shiny and it's pure black color, like you guys can have a look here. This is from the Redmi, so here is its original logo, and it's very tiny, like you can see. This much only it is, so it can easily fit in any kind of pocket or anywhere, so it won't feel heavy also to you. It is very light only. And now here we can open this also. Here you guys can see over here. So this is its opening, and here were two protective stickers also, but I had already took them out because I had already used this for testing. So there is no stickers right now, but when you will buy it new one, then here will be two protective stickers also. Okay, so here you guys can have a look, a very shiny kind of earbuds. Now if you press these buttons of the earbuds, I mean this is touch sensor. Okay, like you guys can have a look here. These are touch sensors, so you can use touch gestures also to control these earphones. For example, here you guys can see here is one LED light glowing, right? Because I had touched this one. Now I haven't touched this one. Now as soon as I will touch this, here also the LED lights will glow. Okay, now you guys can have a look. See, here also the LED light started glowing. So this is a touch control earbuds. Okay, so let me take it out for you guys. Here you can have a look. This is its charging cable also, this golden color one, which is already included here only. So you have to just attach it over here like this. It is magnetic also, it will automatically go and fit in its perfect position here, and then it will automatically start to charge. Okay, now here this is the earbuds. Now you guys can compare the size. Here we get to see a hook also, so that it can attach perfectly in our ears. Here this hook. So if you want, you can also take out this hook here like this. This is the hook, and most of the earphones the hook is not given, so it may be kind of uncomfortable to wear, but with the hooks it can easily fit in our ears also. Okay, and it feels also very comfortable. So let us keep our hook, and here is given also the R means right and L means left, so you can also distinguish it. And then we will just pair. Okay, and it is pairing, and now it is connected. Right now you can see the lights have stopped to blink because it is connected already. Now if it was not connected, then the lights would have blinked. Okay, so you can check this Bluetooth's battery. Okay, so this is the battery of our this earbuds. If it is going to finish, then it will come low. Okay, so you can check the battery from here only. And this is touch control, as I already said you. So it means that there are three types of gestures. Okay, in this one is that if you press long like this, hold it for long time, for like 3 seconds or 2 seconds, then the music which you are playing will be paused. Okay, and as I already said you, now watch carefully. Okay, this will automatically be paused. Okay, see, 1 2 3. Okay, up to 2.5 seconds it automatically became paused. And again if I want to play, then 1 2 3, so that much, see, it again started to play, right? So this, like this, if you do like this, that means the music will be paused and play. And if you double tap it like this, that means the music will be skipped, like go next music will start to play. Okay, further one, double tap it. Okay, like this, double tap, and then see, next song again came, already came next song. See, like this. Again double tap it. See, again next song came here. So next song has started to play. Again double tap it. So again next song, but you won't go to previous song, okay, because this is just for next song, okay. And another gesture is triple tap. Triple tap means 1 2 3, right? So if you tap 3 times like this, then you can summon your Google Assistant, okay, your phone's assistant, whether it is Siri or Google Assistant, any both of them, you can summon it, okay, just by triple tapping like this. 1 2 3 triple tap, the borderlines will glow like this, and Google Assistant is here. So that's why you can use this to summon your Google Assistant, to play pause the songs, and also to skip the music. So all three gestures are here in this touch control, okay. So now let me show you by picking up the calls, okay. So I have called it from my next mobile, okay. Here the call has came, okay. Now if I hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, then it won't answer, okay. You guys can see nothing happens. But if I double tap it, then it will answer. 1 2 double tap it, then it answered, right? So I can do like hello, hi, whatever. And now if you are done, then you can triple tap also to cut it, okay. 1 2 3. This one, if a call is coming when you are listening to music or playing games, then you can just hold it like this for 2 seconds, then the call will automatically picked up, okay. It won't be cut, it will be picked up. So when you will hold it like this, you can answer the calls freely. And here also is given a mic, okay. So I forgot to tell you that is the main thing, which is here. It's located over here. Now let me focus it for you. So here you guys can see a small dot here, right here. You guys can have a look. Here is a small dot, right? So here this small dot is a microphone, okay, and it has HD sound quality, means very nice sound quality microphone this is, okay. So you can also answer calls hands freely, okay. So you don't need to take out the earphones to answer the calls. It has microphone here only, here this part here only, okay. Here is the microphone. So when you attach it ear, this can capture only your sound, okay. So it is very, like, it can filter out all the noise also. It is very nice microphone. Okay, so these both are magnetic, as I said you. Now if you try to keep these left earbuds in the right charging case, then it won't go only. As you can see, it won't fit only in this right one charging case, okay, because it will automatically back like this. See, when I'm trying to keep it this left side one, okay, this is here left side one, but I'm trying to keep it in right side one, okay. So it won't keep, as you can see, it automatically turns back because this is magnetic and it cannot be charged in the right one. It has to be charged in left only. So it is automatically, you can keep it like this. See, so there is no problem in distinguishing. So now as you can see, there is so satisfying also. We can also, it produces nice sound also when we close it, which is smoothing. And these earbuds have 18 hours of playback time, okay. Now 18 hours means when you will take out these earbuds, then this won't last 18 hours, okay. This will last only 5 hours, 5 to 4 hours, okay. So it depends upon how much volume you play. If you play in low volume, it can last more longer. If you play on high volume, it can last a bit less longer, okay. But it will last up to 4 hours or 5 hours, okay. Maximum is 5 hours. So this will last up to 5 hours. Now how will it last up to 18 hours is, these charging ports have like a power bank, okay. This works as a power bank. So it has power bank feature. So when this battery is finished, then if you again keep it here, then it will go in charging mode, okay, because this is already power bank inside it. So here you guys can see, here suppose if this is connected, then the lights will not blink, right? But if you keep it here and the light is blinking, like, sorry, the light is glowing right here. See, the light is glowing, that means it is charging now, okay. If the light will stop glowing in the case only, like previous one, like when I first unlocked this one from the box, then it was not glowing, right? So that means it was fully charged. But now it has glowing, that means it is again started to charge, because I just took it out and wasted a bit of its battery. So that's why it again goes in charging mode, and when it is fully charged and you will again keep it, then the lights will stop to blink. So in that case, you will know it is full charged or not, okay. So now let me also show you its charging port, which is a Type-C cable. As you know, Type-C charging port it has, so we will need a Type-C cable to charge it. So let me also show you by charging it, okay. Here, this is also the Redmi power bank. You guys can have a look. I have made a separate unboxing video for this in my channel, so if you are interested, you can go and watch it out. So now we will charge this and show it to you, okay. So here, as soon as we will plug this in, the LED lights will glow over here. See this one. So you will know whether it is charging or not. Okay, so it is very easy. Like this, plug in, the LED lights will glow, and when it is fully charged, it will stop to glow. Okay, and you can charge this for like half an hour or 1 hour, then it will be fully charged. Okay, so it doesn't take too much time to charge also, and it works as a power bank for 18 hours. Okay, so once this is used for 5 hours and battery is finished, again keep it in charge, it will again be charged fully, and again you can use it, again keep it charged, again you can use it. So it can charge up to 2 to 3 times. Okay, this earbuds, and then you have to again charge this whole buds for the same time. Okay, for next use. So you can see it is charging now. So now let's plug it out. Okay, now this was just about the earbuds. Now let us see what else we get to see in this box. Okay, so let me take it out all. First of all, here we are going to take out the manual, which is this much only. Like it is a bit less manual. You don't, if you want to see, you can see this. Like here is given every features about these earphones. Okay, so here they are. You get to see 3 different silicon buds. So 2 are silicon buds and 1 is a hook. Okay, here this one I already showed you the hook. So this hook is this only. Here I will show it again to you. So this one part we can take it out, as I said you. So if these hooks are lost of your, then you can have here, this is the extra hook which is given over here. If your earbuds are also not working properly, then I also show you, you can also reset them. Okay, now how to reset is, you don't need to connect it to your smartphone. Okay, because if it is not working, how you will connect it to smartphone, right? So for example, if many smartphones are connected to this one, and if you want to connect your smartphone to this one, but other is connecting automatically, right, because of many connections, then you can reset this one. Now how to do that is, here you guys can see these both earbuds, right? These both earbuds, what you have to do is, these both touch sensors, you have to hold it for 5 seconds like this inside this charging case only. Okay, not by taking out. If you take out and hold it like this, then nothing will happen. You have to just keep it in the charging case like this, and you can just hold it like this. Okay, for 5 seconds, and what will happen is, the lights will blink like 3 times, I guess. See, okay, see, as you saw, the lights blinked, right? So that means it is reset now. So if there are many connections with this, then all connectors will be reset now. See, so guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you are also deciding to buy these MI buds, then please go and check it out. The description, I'll give the link over there. And I think it's available only in black colors for now, but in the upcoming updates it may be other colors also available. So if you want, you can also customize it, but for now I guess only black color is available. So I will give the link of that. And if you have any questions related to these buds, please ask me in the comment box, I will answer it. So thank you for watching today's video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.